Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice latest version on RHEL 10, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. See, by default we won't get the LibreOffice or any office suite on RHEL operating systems. So we can download and install. Open any web browser, go to LibreOffice official website, that is LibreOffice.org. See here the latest release is 25.2. So click on download, then select the LibreOffice, download LibreOffice. Okay, then in this drop down list, select the Linux RPM package. Select it, then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 229 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will extract and we will install LibreOffice 25. Okay. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the LibreOffice zip file. We have to untap this one, tar-xf. Give the 1, 2, 3 letters of the zip file. Give the tab, hit enter, ls. Now go to this extracted folder, ls. See here we have the install readmes and rpms. Go to this rpm folder, rpms folder, ls. See here we have the list of the rpm packages that needs to be installed. Ctrl A, sudo dnf install star.rpm. Okay. See, this is the command. Okay, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Type and hit enter. It is going to install 42 packages. We have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice base, calc, draw, impress, math and writer. Writer is like MS Office Word. Calc is like MS Office Excel. Open it. See, this looks like MS Office Excel. Okay, go to help, then about LibreOffice. See here, this is the version. Okay, close this, close this. Okay, so we have successfully installed. ls, these files are not required anymore. cd, go up one more directory, ls, this directory and this file is not required anymore. So rm, give LibreOffice, give the tab underscore, give the tab, hit enter, ls, rm, give rf, remove this directory also. LibreOffice, give the space, hit enter. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install LibreOffice 25.2 on RHEL 10. Okay, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.